Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Shea, and we're just gonna get straight into the video. We're gonna go from this to this. Real quick and easy, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so we're getting started with 2-week-old hair. I'm gonna be honest with you, I take a shower every day, but when it comes to my hair, it's like every 1 to 2 weeks because postpartum has been kicking me in the ass. So we're just gonna start off with washing all the product out of my hair so we can prep it for some shampoo. As you can see, I already have some shedding. The shampoo that I use is the Low Porosity shampoo by Shea Moisture. I love these products. It is great for low porosity hair. And as you can see on the side of me, you can actually find this in my Amazon storefront. And I just showed you how to get there. You go to my YouTube bio, you click on my link tree, and you can get to my Amazon storefront, and you can have this shampoo as well. And I'm just working that into my scalp and just really making sure I cleanse it all out. Now we're going in with this Hydrate and Repair Conditioner by Shea Moisture. This is actually my first time ever using this product. I usually use the Low Porosity Conditioner, but I had ran out and I wanted to try something new. And this is just as good. It's either or. You can get either or. It works just as good. Now, because my hair was extremely tangled, because it was sitting up in a ponytail for a while. When you're a mom with 3 under 3, your kids come first, if you know what I mean. So my hair came last. And here we are, having to literally finger detangle my hair, actually having to pull apart the knots with the conditioner. And yes, I do put my hair under the water a little bit to make the conditioner more slick, but this did take me about 20 minutes to do because my hair was extremely tangled. But I'm showing you guys the whole process so you guys can see that this product is actually really good. And once again, you can get this product from my Amazon storefront. It's linked in my YouTube bio. So as you guys can see, I'm having a lot of shedding. So I heard that when you are postpartum, you have a lot of shedding. And as you can see, I don't really think that's a myth. I'm having a lot of shedding, but it also could do with the fact that I did have my hair in a ponytail for 2 weeks. So, you know, to each his own. But yeah, this product is really good. It's really taking me a while. You see, I'm really actually pulling apart my hair before I actually go in with the comb. This is just the first part of the detangling process, but it all works out in the end, I promise. It's all worth it. My biggest problem area is my crown area. Does anyone else have that problem? I know that me, my husband, and even my kids have that same problem, that our crown area is the worst part. Let me know if anybody else struggles with that. Now I'm finally going in with the comb to detangle my hair, which is also a process. However, starting off with fingering detangling it first and really pulling apart the knots and the tangles is what makes the combing more of a smooth process. As you can see here, I was having trouble with the comb a little bit because I was getting it caught up in some tangles. But if you see, the more I work to loosen it up, the comb eventually just slides right through my hair.
Down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two. I war with you. Why you bothering
Now we're just washing that conditioner out of my hair and we're just getting ready for the next step. As you can see, that conditioner did wonders for my hair. And of course we got a little more shedding, right? Now we're going in with this Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. This hair mask literally does wonders for my hair and my kids' hair and my husband's hair. It really brings all of our hair back to life. I love this mask so much. Anything that was the intensive hydration from Shea Moisture with the Manuka honey, it's a must grab. Unfortunately, I don't have this on my Amazon storefront because I had first bought it at a beauty supply store to try it first. But next time I will buy it from my Amazon and I will put that in my storefront for you guys because it is cheaper on Amazon than it is in the beauty supply store. So I'm about to show you how these products do wonders for my hair because this right here is fresh out the shower with no product in my hair. It looks amazing. It does wonders. Now we're going in with the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Leave-In Conditioner. I love this conditioner. It slicks right through your hair and leaves your hair feeling extremely moisturized. Once again, you can get this on my Amazon storefront. Just follow the steps to get there, as you see on the screen. Now we're going in with the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk. Of course, you're supposed to go in with the leave-in conditioner and then a thick cream after that leave-in conditioner, and that will leave your hair feeling extremely moisturized and looking extremely moisturized and shiny. Once again, you can find this on my Amazon storefront. Now we're just about to clip up my hair into sections to put in the gel, just because I want to make sure that the gel is evenly dispersed throughout my hair to get that nice defined curl look. So I turned the light off so you guys could like hear me better because the bathroom has an automatic vent with it. But now I'm just going to take this with these. I'm going to section the front from the back. So I'm just clipping that up to get out of the way, and then we're just gonna deal with this part right here. You guys can see it. This is my husband's sweatshirt. I'm getting it all wet, but he said it was okay. Okay, so I'm back. I had to go help my daughter. But yeah, I love those Manuka honey shea butter products. Like, if you have low porosity hair, you need these products. Now we're going in with this extreme gel. I got this off of Amazon, and you can get it off of my Amazon storefront if you guys like. I did used to use this hair gel when I was like in high school. I don't know why I stopped. I literally love this gel. It elongates my hair and it just keeps it looking nice, and it pairs really well with the products because it doesn't give off any white flakes or any cast type of look. Really make sure I get them ends. I know I need a trim, but until then, we're just gonna go like this. You brought me some buckets? We did a leave-in conditioner. We did a leave-in milk. and now we're doing gel. Okay, and then just like that. And then we're just gonna take on this part. Really recommend Shea Moisture's intense hydration products. Like, I swear by them. For a while I could not get a defined curl because I was using everything but this, and now I've been loyal to it. Like, and it's not expensive too. So we're just gonna pull that part up, and then as you can see this.
Yeah, you're gonna sit right here. Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria.
Hi, baby. Yeah, you see me doing my hair.
One thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach?
Now I'm gonna just sit here and finger curl a little bit in the front, just to make it go back.
Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night. The waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a time.
Now I just let it air dry because I don't have a hair dryer. I'm typically just the air dry type of girl, and I'll let you guys see how that turns out. Okay, here we are at maybe 10% dry. I'll show you guys the stages, but make sure you do not touch the curls. My hair is about 95% dry here, so I'm just taking my curls and just stretching them out to break the cast of the gel so it's not stiff right here. And this is the final look. If you guys like the video, please show some love by liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. Also, please check out my Amazon storefront. I'll be posting more soon. Thanks for watching.